What's up guys, B-Rob here, and today I'm going to talk about joint health. This is part 3 of my 3-part series. These are the 4 tips for exercising with arthritis. I'll be right back. Alright, before I begin, I do want to make sure that you know about my part 1 and part 2 of this 3-part series. This is my joint health series. Part 1 was 3 natural remedies for relieving joint pain. Part 2 was 3 supplements for relieving joint pain. And this is part 3, which is my 4 tips for exercising with arthritis. Now, before I jump in, I do want to let you know that my advice does not, or my recommendation does not trump a doctor's advice or recommendation, because I am not a medical doctor. What I'm doing is simply just letting you know what I do. I do suffer from arthritis, so things that have worked for me, I am making this video that maybe it will help you, but I do recommend that you get your doctor's buy-in before you do anything. Make sure that before you take any supplements or before you try anything, that you have the right people in your life with the right degrees and the right certifications to make sure that you have the best plan for your health. All right. Also, I do want to say that whether it's eating naturally or taking supplements or exercising, your diet is key to making sure that you're set up the best for remedying your arthritis pain, your joint pain. Okay, so make sure that you're not taking my 3-part video just by itself, and also understand that the key to it is making sure that that inflammation that is going throughout your body, that inflammation is relieved through your diet. And again, that goes back to you being paired up with the right person who is trained, whether that's by degree or by certification, to make sure that you're being helped. Okay, so I do want to put that out there and make that clear. So now, what about these 4 tips that I use for exercising with arthritis, right? So my tip number 1 is to make sure you get a certified personal trainer if you're planning on exercising with arthritis, especially if you don't really know what you're doing. But even if you do know what you're doing and you're not a certified personal trainer yourself, getting somebody who's educated and that understands how to work with patients with joint pain or with arthritis pain, that will help you out tremendously, okay? Because you don't know what you don't know. They do know what they do know, and you pair the 2 together and maybe somebody will know something, right? All right, so make sure, my first tip is make sure that you have a certified trained professional to help you out. Okay, number 2 is if you can't afford that certified person and you want to do something right now, what I do recommend is walking. And you can walk outside, you can walk on a treadmill, but the key here is just to move around a little bit. Now, of course, don't do anything that's causing you tremendous pain, but keeping those joints moving, it will help you out in the long run, okay? So walking is something that if somebody, one of my buds came up and said, B-Rob, I have some joint pain right now, what should I do? And I would say, go see a doctor and keep moving, right? So again, but my advice does not trump your doctor's advice. So my number 3 is cycling or elliptical machines. So what I do like about cycling and elliptical machines is you can do them both indoors or outdoors, okay? Cycling, whether it's a bicycle or cycling, one of those cycling machines, bicycles outdoors, machines indoors. Elliptical, you can take your elliptical outside if that's what you want to do, or you may already have one outside, whatever. Indoors and outdoors, get that natural environment, and you are taking the stress off your joints, because these are working in a circular motion, so your joints are not, your joints don't have impact, but your body is still moving, right? And it works a lot of your muscles in your body too. I have seen some studies where they say it works all of your muscles, including your feet, and I have seen some that say they work a lot of your muscles. For the sake of this video, I'm just going to say they work a lot of muscles. And so by cycling and using elliptical, you're getting full body movement, okay, which is good. There's no impact to your joints. The machine handles most of the stress, so it's a win-win there too, okay? But the key is to keep moving here. So my number 4 is yoga. So the thing about yoga is It should be done in a perfect world. I'm assuming that if you're taking a yoga class, that it's under the watch of a certified instructor, which means that that's somebody that's trained to make sure that you're doing the movements correctly. Okay. Also, yoga improves flexibility, and if you've seen my 5 components of fitness, you will see that flexibility is definitely one of those. Also strengthens your muscles through yoga, and having stronger muscles and improved flexibility will help with your joint situation. Also reduces stress, which will also help with your joint situation. So those are some really good benefits of yoga. Again, that's being under the watch of a certified instructor, improve flexibility, improve muscular strength, and reduces stress. So I'm going to do a quick little recap of my 4 tips for exercising with arthritis. My first one is make sure you get with a personal trainer, someone who understands how to design workouts tailored specifically for you and your joint pain and or arthritis. Number 2 is walking. So if you want to do something like right now, walking to where you're walking outside or you're on a treadmill, but walk. The good thing about a treadmill is you can adjust the incline of it, and you can do that all indoors while you're watching something on a screen in front of you if you want, or reading or whatever. Number 3 is cycling. Use an elliptical machine. Do it indoors, outdoors. Works a lot of your muscles. There's no impact on your joints, and the machine handles the stress. Number 4 is yoga. Under the watch of a certified yoga instructor, improves flexibility, strengthens your muscles, and relieves stress. Those are my 4 tips for exercising with arthritis. Please check out my whole series, and please like, share, subscribe, comment. Also check out leanwellonline.com to make sure that you have access to some of the best information on lifestyle, exercise, attitude, and nutrition. Alright, so don't forget to subscribe, hit the little bell so you can keep getting my videos, share, send this to somebody who you think can use this information, lets people know that this is a good video, and subscribe to This Is B-Rob, comment, let me know what you think. Hopefully it's more positive than negative, but please like, share, subscribe. Thank you for tuning in. This is B-Rob, and I will see you guys later.